Okay guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install MySQL zip file on Windows 11. So if you need to install MySQL zip archive without Windows installer, so you can follow this method. So as initial step, you need to open your browser. You can use any browser for this one. Then after, you need to go to your address bar. In the address bar, you need to type MySQL community server zip archive. Then hit enter. So you can see the first option, the official MySQL website. Download MySQL community server. Just tap on it. So you can select your product version. In my case, I like to select 9.2 version, and you can select your operating system. In this tutorial, I am going to select Microsoft Windows. So in the download option, there are three options. The first one is Windows installer, but the second one is the zip archive file. So we have to download the zip archive file. It is around 290 megabytes. Just tap on download option. Alright, now it is downloaded. Then you have to go to the download location. Okay, once you at the download location, you have to extract that one. To do that, just right click on that one. Then after, tap on show more options. If you are using WinRAR for the extraction process, you can see these kind of options here. If you are not using any extractor file, you can just tap on extract all option. So you have to select the location you need to extract. Tap on extract option. Now it is extracting. Wait for the operation completed. Alright, now it is extracted. You can see the extracted folder. What you need to do is you need to open that folder. There are several files in here. You need to right click on it, the empty area. Then after, go to new and text document option. So you can see it's created new text document. Double tap on it. Then after, you need to type these commands in here. Square bracket MySQL ID. Then second line base dir equal c double dash flash MySQL data dir equal c double dot slash MySQL slash data port 3306. If you need to use this command like this, you have to move the extracted folder into the C drive. To do that, you need to minimize this one and go back again. You can see the extracted folder. You have to right click on it. Then after, go to rename option. You need to rename it as MySQL like this. Hit enter. Now you need to right click on it. Go to show more options. Tap on cut option. Then after, go to this PC and your C drive, and you need to paste it here. Just tap on paste option. Now you can see it is pasted here. Now you are in the local disk C. Then after, MySQL location. Okay. Again, open it. Open the text document we created. You can okay, it's deleted the previous content. You have to again insert that content here. Okay, MySQL ID base directory C dash MySQL data directory is MySQL data port 3306. You can see there is a data folder inside the MySQL. Go to the MySQL folder. There is initially there will be no data folder in here. It will generate in the future steps. I will show those methods. So okay, once you type this command, you have to go to file. Then after, go to save, and again go to file and save as. You have to save it in this current folder. You have to name it as my.ini. It is ini file. Then after, save as type, set to all files. Tap on save. Then you can close this one. You can see my.ini file is now created. Alright, now you need to double tap on bin folder. You are inside the bin folder. Just tap on this address bar. Now you need to type cmd like this. Hit enter. Okay, now you are open the cmd. Now you need to type my MySQL ID, sorry, ID, not ID, MySQL D space dash initialize space dash console. You need to type like this: MySQL D space dash initialize space dash console. Hit enter. Now you can see it is start the initialization process. Wait for the process is complete. Okay, now it is completed. You can go to the folder. You can see the data folder is now created. Finally, you can start the MySQL server by manually typing in here MySQL D and hit enter. Okay, it asks MySQL D to run. You need to allow access in the firewall. Okay, now it is successfully running. Alternatively, open a new command prompt and you can run using the password. To do that, you need to type MySQL space dash u space root dash p and hit enter. So you need to enter the password like this, then after hit enter, then it will be run with your password, so it is more secure. So this is how you can install MySQL zip file on Windows 11 if you are not using Windows installer. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.